Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the foundational cloud concept bit by bit. And firstly, we will start with the word cloud computing. Please tell me what comes to your mind when you hear the word cloud. Write it down in the comment section. So let's begin. So, what is cloud computing? You can think it as a giant invisible bag where you can carry anything at any moment, and it can hold such as document, application, photos, and everything. You do not need to carry any heavy stuffs around you anymore because it removes that hassle for you, as it is very dynamic technology. We do not need to keep hardware spaces up. Now many big tech companies are converting to cloud and getting eco-friendly as we speak. Right now, we everyone have an invisible backpack day to day basis. We are using the benefits of cloud computing without even knowing. So let's go to the next topic, which is how many types of cloud computing services are there. Let's see, there are three types: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Let's start with infrastructure as a service, where you can virtualize any computing hardware. You do not need to have the hassle of setting up all the raw materials. Let me give you an example. Think it as a ordering your ingredients to cook your meal. You get all the raw ingredients and cook it by yourself, but it gives you full control, but it requires very effort. But there are many cloud providers like AWS, GCP, which can do that for you as a why do I say, it's like a DIY recipe cooking experience. Now next to the platform as a service, you can see that it is uh, like in the previous one, we didn't get any measurement of how many PC or how many GPU are required in the infrastructure as a service. But in the platform as a service, you are getting pre-measured hardware and software. You do not need to do anything. It will develop the environment for you, and you not need to do any hassle of developing the environment. It can develop and run your application anytime, any smooth. And as we progress to the third service, which is SaaS, or software as a service, which talks about uh, getting a takeaway meal. It is ready made. We can buy it and use it. This is like an on demand service. We do not need to pay when we do not need it. It is like very scalable and cost effective. You will pay for what you used, and you do not need to pay what you didn't use. So the benefits of using cloud computing are cost effective, reliability, scalability, and flexibility. As we speak of the cost effective, as I said, we do not need to pay for what we do not use of the facilities. And the scalable facts takes about that whenever any application or any software gets erupted or due to a heavy traffic, we can simply destroy it and create a new one ready made, no hassle of, as we can do this. And this makes our computing very reliable. And the flexibility is like we can carry it anywhere anytime, as it is deployed in multiple geological locations. So if one gets disrupted, there is always a backup for us, so there is no need to worry about my data or my application. So if you are interested to know about the more capabilities or advantages of cloud computing, please do tell me. I'll add them at the drop below of my comment section. As we get back to our topic, as you can see, there are lots of benefits of cloud computing, and they are now the prime technology that. So the major cloud providers are AWS, Azure, and GCP, and their demand is increasing day by day. People are switching to cloud by thinking of a new way. Cloud is the new way, and it is not a drawback. It is more of an advantage. If you know the use of any of these three providers technology, it gives you a bonus or a plus one. Let's recap regarding the deployment of the clouds. As you can see, we can think cloud deployment as a different housing system, where in public cloud is living like apartment with shared amenities, and in private cloud it is like having a private swimming pool or a private yard. It's completely to our control. And as for a hybrid, it is like a townhouse with shared space. And as you see, choosing the right cloud model is like choosing the right workout space. It depends on your need and preferences. So let's move. As you can see, let's know more about the types of cloud computing. As I said, there are three, and as you can see from this image, we are seeing many popular application here. As you can see, that Azure and AWS and GCP is as an service, which is an example of them. As we move to the bottom, we can see that service as a software as a service, where we can see various web application and web e-commerce site and API is a trending topic right now. And in the middle we can see our various uh, uh, platform based application like MongoDB, MySQL, and Linux. Last slide. Whether you are cooking in the kitchen or following a meal kit or ordering a takeout, cloud computing offers a model to suit everyone's needs. So, despite depending on everyone's need, there are options for everyone. There will be no one left out. We can use anything to our needs, and when we do not need them, we will stop. It is like a pay as you go service. So let's stay tuned about the next topic, where I will discuss about virtualization. Thank you for staying with me, and cloud is the new way.